Sige. Ay, pakita mo dito fan mo, pakita mo. Pakita mo yung fan mo. Pakita mo yung fan mo, EJ, guys. Hi, guys.
Hiya.
Hello, kita mo dito na. Hello, I have a fan. I'm so cutie, cute. You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrops, sniggums, boogums. You're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that you'll always be right here. And I love to sing sweet songs to you because you are so dear. Sit! Ay, hindi. I-unbox pala natin yung pagkain ng dog. Sige.